Haflong Municipal Board organizes street play to create awareness on waste management. PHE sanitize. PHE sanitation work incomplete in Kangdir Teron village inside Duarbagari constituency. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansepi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. The fears of community spread of COVID-19 is turning into a reality as infection rate takes a big surge. The spike of the number of COVID-19 cases on Tuesday had surprised everyone in the district. Even after taking multiple precautions by the authority, the spread of the virus could not be contained. On Tuesday alone, a number of 189 fresh cases of COVID-19 were reported from the district. This was so far the biggest single-day spike of COVID cases in Karbi Anglong. Following this spike, the district so far had recorded over 630 positive cases. Meanwhile, the overall number of cases detected in the state of Assam on Tuesday was reported at 2,669. On the other hand, 1,487 patients were also discharged after they successfully won the battle against the disease. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. The Haflong Municipal Board on Wednesday organized a street play on waste management in several parts of Haflong town to create awareness among the public on clean environment. The initiative has been taken as a part of Swachh Bharat Mission Urban Assam. During the play, the artists dramatized segregation of dry and wet waste and also explained the spectators on reuse of dry waste such as plastic straws and other recyclable waste. Residents of the areas had shown keen interest in the play, and leaflets were also distributed in Haflong town by the artists to aware the public. With the growing number of population in the town, the amounts of garbage are also increasing. Although knowing the rules of cleanliness, people are needed to be reminded of the habits they should cherish so that the town remains clean throughout the year. Suresh Burman from Haflong, Karbi Anglong Live. The sanitation house sanctioned towards 3 beneficiaries of Langtuk Tokbi village under the Kangdir Teron polling station inside Duarbagari constituency were left incomplete even after completing 2 years. Following this, the beneficiaries have expressed immense disappointment over the contractor. The sanitation houses which were left incomplete belong to beneficiaries Ronsing Tokbi, Francis Tokbi and Roval Tokbi of Langtuk Tokbi village, which were sanctioned under PHE village sanitation scheme. The 3 beneficiaries stated that the contractor identified as Birson Rongpi had abandoned the construction works due to reasons best known to him. Francis Tokbi, one of the 3 beneficiaries, alleged that his photo was taken after being asked to pose in front of somebody else's sanitation house, claiming that the contractor might already have drawn the bill. Further, beneficiaries alleged that the contractor had even used old water tank for construction of sewage tank.
Election va hoy kanang chakang po. Stame man akam man claim credit. Pula lang stame son thala ta na pungo toar kulip lo tamat. Dom lang la so lang ni tung juno da la air hang ti je man kurai hi je man du el la da. Na sinon lang jun stame ni tung penang an ak piduk dulu.
Có lon thế à lịch em cái?
Lịch cái lại hết luôn, làm đi học có đâu.
Lan ven mà cái klem.
Làm về là thì mất.
Acha, men tu ni kan seng klem.
Thân ít tiền cả.
Oh, acha.
Meanwhile, village headmen also expressed dismay over the indifference of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the government, stating that their village is more than 50 years old, yet they have not seen any change in their area. The headman said that the lack of road is the main source of sufferings of the villagers. In addition to this, the village headman told Karbi Anglong Live that in recent time, drinking water have turned out to be one of the most problem due to pollution of the river water in the upstream, following movement of trucks and horses, which leaves its waste on water directly, affecting huge population in the downstream area. In addition to this, The village headman told Karbeng Long Life that in recent times, drinking water have turned out to be one of the most problem due to pollution of the river water in the upstream, following movement of trucks and horses which leaves its waste on water directly, affecting huge pollution in the downstream area.
Lake pihem pumyong te?
Yo BJP sokar pa na ron return he. Lele ni kumpan.
Mentu ni kasi na ke claim pilo.
La 2018 ni kan ni Dembor cikul naikin kan ni la suni de na the mane chongda dam de ma. Ni 2018 kasi naikin me mengan ke de dan tian lo. Ni sodak chong hong dam katang ni da lo ni tum dan handala. La na hen na long iklab lo ste ni tum na long.
Literally ke lah lo ke dio.
So hut kabunai pon sta hedi la water scheme prang water scheme nang ri du mati so la water scheme lang tingki so abange ai pingan malang du mat lang chu song tak lo ma si la so ikta posi e etsi si la lu sap ahili ki hutu la so pasi alu sa tu la so ikta masi gathi dam
Arjisa Rongpar from Dolomara for Karbeng Long Life. Bisong Kiling, son of Jet Singh Kiling and Rita Milikpi of Harbara Rongpar village, has been ill from a long time. Due to lack of earning source, his parents are unable to take him to good hospital. Bisong Kiling is only 5 years old. He had just started going to school. However, at this playful age, he had become a patient of an unknown disease where one portion of his genital had swollen. He had been suffering from this disease for the past 2 to 3 years. His parents had taken him to local health centers, but his treatment is still incomplete and they could not afford to take him to a good hospital anymore.
Thì nó biết chúng ta chỉ làm cái chỉ làm lo cardiac sẽ tận này, doctor sẽ tận này, thì lòng lấy chỉ làm tận này chỉ phải đôi là một tí rồi. Những cái là thì những cái chúng ta nó làm bằng chúng ta là thì hàng song tên là एक मुद्दा चोरी मुद्दा चोटा तुम असा ओबावा साइन ना पिटे तुला something itu mingri leje. Mereka ajata waktu itu mati.
Owing to lack of money through Karbeng Long Life, Bisong's parents have sought financial assistance from well-wishers with the only wish to take their son to better hospital. Anyone willing to help the ailing boy may contact the Karbeng Long Life office. Bikram Teran from Denarong, Karbeng Long Life. That's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbeng Long Life.